through fields so bare. The thorny bramble whispers there,
Kyrie eleison.
7 years the branches sleep, no leaf to sow, no root to keep. Jesus and Maria. Beneath her heart a secret grows, a quiet truth that softly glows.
Kyrie eleison.
A child of light, a world to mend. No sorrow now, this is not the end.
Jesus and Maria.
The road is sharp, the night is cold, but she carries warmth untold. This barren earth will soon ignite with roots of love and blooms of light. And as the two are passing near, the silent woods begin to hear Kyrie eleison, a song of hope, a breath so clear.
Maria's path will lead us here. Jesus and Maria.
Maria walks amid the thorn.
Kyrie eleison.
She walks amid the thorn, yes, which 7 years no leaf has borne.
Jesus and Maria.
What 'neath her heart doth Mary bear? A secret that is coming near.
Kyrie eleison.
It's a little child she carries, no more sorrow, no more tears.
Jesus and Maria.
The path is long, the way is hard, but she is holding on. This barren wood will soon break open with the song of life.
And as the two are passing near,
Look, the